Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. We begin this segment with a primetime news follow-up. We revisited the home of a teen who suffers from multiple illnesses. The 17-year-old lives with her mother, who also has health issues. So what has happened since the story aired? Here's Kirk Wright with our update.
It's been 4 months since we highlighted Afreen Ramjeet's daily struggles, battling 5 major illnesses and having to do so in deplorable living conditions. After the story aired, she received some help.
I really want to thank everybody who has reached out to me and Mom, who has tried to help us. But the main that I want to thank is the ones who have put towards my medical health and stuff like that, like my medication, my doctor bill. I did a surgery and, someone paid for that for me. I'm very grateful.
However, the 17-year-old's progress has been at snail's pace. Much more effort is needed to afford Afreen and her mother the meaningful help they need. Yet, Afreen still fights to smile even after undergoing a minor surgery and having suffered a stroke. Because of her multiple illnesses, she still has to visit the hospital regularly. Healing is hard, mainly due to her living arrangements.
Right now I have online classes, and because of the state that I'm living in, I'm waiting for my teachers to put me in a class, but when they do put me in a class, I am still worried because I don't have any space at home to do any work whatsoever. So I'm still worried about that, and I would want a place to go where I can be comfortable, where when I get out of the hospital I can heal and be in a safe environment.
Afreen's mother, Alisa Reynolds, says rainy days are some of their worst.
As long as the time black up, I start fret because I know that we are going to be flood out and the place is going to be wet up and things wet up, clothes wet up, and anything that I have in here, it will normally be wet up. Afreen is in here, Afreen is sick, and I have to worry about Afreen and her sickness, and I need her to get better. But living in this condition with this house, the house in this condition, and the rain and the water and everything, it is so bad.
And that has driven Afreen into depression, another struggle she has had to endure.
A lot of people think that when you say that you're depressed, they say first thing is that you're mad, or you say you're depressed, you can easily get past that. It's not that easy as you say it, because if you have been there, you would have known.
Until then, Afreen says she's going to dig deep to stave off her depression and pray better days are just around the corner.
For those of you who are watching and have the kind heart, I'm just asking if you have a house or land to lease, so that me and Mom can move to a better environment, so that it can be a better place for me and my health, and also Mom.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.